Hi guys, my name is Hakim and I'm
My name is Hakim and I'm from BA119C. My student number is 2025861666.
My name is Muhammad Fadul Ifan Beromli. I'm from BA1191C. My student number is 2025813908.
Hello, my name is Wamika Idania Bewah Muhammad Faizal. I'm from BA1191C. My metric number is 2025871516.
Hi, my name Muhammad bin Ariza. I'm from BA1191C. My student ID is 2025867118.
Case study 1. Hakim plans to buy a house in a few years. To achieve his goal, he decides to deposit part of his income into an investment account that offers 4.1 annual interest compounded quarterly. After 8 years, his savings have grown to 180,547.26. After reviewing his financial progress, Hakim begins to explore other options for reaching his housing goal sooner. Question A. How much money did Hakim initially invest at the beginning? This question asks us to find amount that Hakim invests at the beginning. So first we use compound interest formula, which is S equals to P in bracket 1 plus K divided by M power of MT. We have all the information and then we just put the value in the formula. 180,547.26 equals to P in bracket 1 plus 0.041 divided by 4 power of 8 multiplied by 4, and then we got the value of P, which is 130,276.90 ringgit.
Okay, for question B, calculate the total interest earned over than 8 years. Okay, for this question, we use simple interest formula, which is I equals S minus P. Let's solve it. RM 18054.7.26 minus 130,276.90. After the calculation, we got interest answer, which is RM 50270.36. For question C, if Hakim wish to have RM 250000 in the same account, how long will it take at the same interest rate and compounding frequency? For question C, we need to know how long will it take, which is T. So we use compound interest formula, which is S equals P bracket 1 plus K over M bracket power of M multiplied by T. So 250000 equals 130,276.90 bracket 1 plus 0.041 over 4 bracket power of 4 multiplied by T. So we calculate using log method, and the value for T is 16 years.
Question D. Hakim wants to reach 300,000 in 5 years. Determine the nominal annual interest rate compounded quarterly required to achieve this goal. Hence, calculate the quarterly periodic rate. Okay, for this question, we need to find quarterly periodic rate. We also use the same formula and then we just put the value in the formula, which is 300,000 equals to 130,276.90 in bracket 1 plus R divided by 4 power of 4 multiplied by 5, and then we got the annual interest, which is R equals to 0.17, but this is annual rate, so we need to divide 4, which is R equals to 0.17 divided by 4, and then we got the quarterly periodic rate, which is 0.0425, which is 4.25%.
Case study 2. Question A. Aman saved 500 ringgit every 3 months for 5 years in his daughter's account, which paid 4% compounded quarterly. Immediately after Aman had made the last deposit, his daughter withdrew half of the amount in the account and invested it in ABC Bank, which paid 6% compounded monthly. Find the amount in his daughter's account at ABC Bank after 2 years. For this calculation, we use the future value of annuity formula, which is S equal up open bracket again 1 plus I close bracket power n minus 1 divided by I close bracket. And after the calculation, the final answer is 11,009 ringgit and 50 cent. After that, we use P new calculation and we divided by 2, and the answer is 5,504 ringgit and 75 cent. And next, we use the S equal P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power n, and the final answer will be 9,204 ringgit and 73 cent. Case study 2, question B. Rabiatul is buying a new photocopy machine for 100,000 ringgit. To finance the purchase, she trades in her old photocopy machine for 12,000 ringgit, and the balance is financed through a bank with an interest rate of 12% compounded monthly. For the repayment of the bank loan, she must pay 1,779.56 cents a month. So the question is, find the number of monthly payments that will settle the loan. For this calculation, we use the present value of annuity formula, which is A equal R open bracket 1 minus open bracket again 1 plus I close bracket power negative n divided by I and close bracket, and the calculation will be 80,000 equal 1,779.56 cents open bracket 1 minus open bracket again 1 plus 0.12 divided by 12 close the bracket, and power negative n divided by 0.12 and then divided by 12 close the bracket, and the calculation will be after the calculation the answer will be 1 negative 0.447095 equal 1.01 negative n. And after that, we need to use log in order to find monthly payment that we settle the loan, and it will be log 0.5505 equal negative n log 1.01, and after the calculation the answer will be n equal 59.99 or 60 after rounding the number.
Question B, 2 Roman. If Rabiatul misses 6 monthly payment, how much should she pay on her 7th payment? For this question, we use the future value of an annuity formula. So S7 equals 1779.56. Open the bracket and then open the another bracket 1 plus 0.12 over 12 close the bracket to the power of 7 minus 1. Then divide 0.12 over 12 and close the bracket. So after substituting all values into the formula and calculating, the total amount she need to pay on the 7th payment is Rn 12836.92. Question B, 3 Roman. If Rabiatul intend to settle the loan by making a final payment immediately after paying the first 40 monthly payment, find the value of the payment. For this question, Rabiatul plan to settle the loan early after making 40 monthly payment. Originally, the loan period is 60 months. On the remaining payment are 60 minus 40 equals 20 months. To find the final settlement amount, we calculate the present value using an annuity formula. So, A20 equals 1779.56. Bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.12 over 12 close the bracket to the power of minus 20 minus 1 divide 0.12 over 12 close the bracket. So we got 177.56 multiply 18.045527. So after performing the calculation, the value of the final payment required to settle the loan is Rm 32113.14.